Husqvarna Automower 115h4G review. Hey everyone, Angie here from Rick's Review Hub, and today we're diving into the Husqvarna Automower 115h4G, a robotic lawnmower that's changing the game for small to medium-sized yards. If you're tired of sweating it out, pushing a mower, or paying for landscaping, stick around. This little machine might just be your new best friend. Let's break down its features, pros, cons, and why I think it's a solid choice for most homeowners. And don't forget to check the link below for the best pricing on Amazon. The Husqvarna Automower 115h4G is designed for lawns up to 0.4 acres, making it perfect for suburban homes or smaller yards. It's a fully automated, electric mower that uses a lithium-ion battery, delivering up to 60 minutes of mowing per charge. What sets this model apart is its 4G connectivity, letting you control it from anywhere using the Automower Connect app. You can start, stop, adjust schedules, or even track its location right from your smartphone. How cool is that? This mower uses 3 razor-sharp pivoting blades to cut grass in a random pattern, ensuring an even, carpet-like finish. The cutting height is adjustable from 2 to 3.6 inches, so you can customize it to your lawn's needs. It also handles slopes up to 30%, which is great for slightly hilly yards. The patented guide wire system helps it navigate tight spaces and return to its charging station without missing a beat. Plus, it's ultra quiet, operating at just 50 to 60 decibels, quieter than a normal conversation. Let's talk pros. First, the convenience is unmatched. Once you set up the boundary and guide wires, more on that later, you can program a schedule that fits your life, whether it's daily mowing or a few times a week. The 4G connectivity means you can tweak settings even when you're at work or on vacation. I love that it mows in the rain, thanks to its weatherproof design, and it adjusts mowing frequency based on grass growth using a weather timer feature. That's some serious smarts. Safety is another big win. The 115H has collision and lift sensors that stop the blades instantly if it's picked up or hits an obstacle, making it safe around kids and pets. It also has a PIN code and alarm to deter theft. The eco-friendly angle is a bonus. No gas, no emissions, and the clippings fertilize your lawn naturally. And did I mention it's low maintenance? No oil changes, just occasional blade swaps. Now, no product is perfect, so let's cover the cons. The setup can be a bit of a project. You'll need to lay down boundary and guide wires to define the mowing area, which can take a few hours for a DIY install. While the kit is included, some folks might prefer professional installation, which adds to the cost. Also, the 115H isn't great for complex yards with lots of obstacles or narrow corridors. Those might need a higher-end model with GPS. Another drawback is that it doesn't cut right up to edges, so you'll still need a trimmer for finishing touches. The upfront price, around $1,599, might feel steep, but when you factor in savings on gas, maintenance, or hiring a landscaper, it's a worthwhile investment for many. Lastly, some users have noted occasional issues with the mower docking properly if the charging station isn't perfectly level, but a quick adjustment usually fixes it. Despite those minor cons, the Husqvarna Automower 115H is a fantastic choice for anyone with a simple lawn who wants to reclaim their weekends. The ease of use, quiet operation, and smart features like 4G control and adaptive mowing make it a standout. It's reliable, safe, and keeps your lawn looking pristine without breaking a sweat. If you're ready to ditch the push mower, this is the way to go. Want to grab the Husqvarna Automower at the best price? Click the link below for special promotional pricing through Rick's Review Hub on Amazon. While you're here, check out our other videos for reviews on robotic mowers and lawn care gadgets. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, or subscribe. It really helps us out. Until next time, happy mowing!